guys, I am in North Carolina for a week with my daughter who just got this amazing job down here in Raleigh, Durham. And so we are shopping the thrift shops locally, and right now we're at this Durham Rescue Mission thrift shop, which I heard online was amazing. And as we're getting closer to it, I'm seeing that there's a $1.29 tag sale. Did I just hit the jackpot in North Carolina? Pretty good. Looks good. Let's check it out. It's kind of loud in here, but I just wanted to point out as a review of this Durham Rescue Mission. Look at all the furniture. It's really a great place to come for furniture. The pricing is awesome. Most things are, between $50 and $150 for pretty large pieces of furniture, and they have really nice stuff. So this is pretty impressive in the amount of housewares and furniture. It's a great place to come if you're looking for couches, kitchen sets. Everything's in really good shape. I'm pretty impressed. Let me just give a little swing around. They have a huge furniture department. So great spot for that kind of stuff. Guys, there's an upstairs. Look at this. Chairland and apparently Rugland. Look at it. Now you get a really good view of the extent of the furniture. Down here, wow, piles of rugs. Look at that.
This was
piles.
Quality. It's got some stains though. Quality.
Dan's helping me, showing me some rugs. Look at that. People are really. Also, I wanted to say that this guy here just mentioned to me that everything is negotiable, which does not happen in most thrift shops. So that is extremely unique to the Durham Rescue Mission. All right, guys, I have been here a long time, and I have kind of a big pile here. Trying to keep to only the yellow tags. When you're looking at a sale like this where everything's $1.29, I think it is, you don't want to just buy stuff because it's $1, and I have a lot of that here. I also picked up a few things that I noticed that brands, and they're not $1, they're like $3.99 a piece. So I'm going to check out, get home, and we'll do a quick haul video at the end of this. Pretty excited. Looks like a lot of stuff. I'm surprised because it's felt like slim pickings, but it all adds up. We'll see how it goes. Broad shot here of all the stuff I got while we were in North Carolina. I'm in Raleigh, Durham. I went to Durham Rescue Mission thrift shop, which is amazing. It's huge, and they have every week, which I didn't know when I went in, they have every single week, they have one color that is $1.29. This week it was yellow. I got all of this, and remember, I came in at the end of the week. It's really probably best to get there early Monday morning, so I didn't have, the big pick, but I still found some amazing stuff. That little pile over that direction is for Gemma, so we can't look at that because that's a surprise. I've got a hobo, international purse, some fun other things for kids. So we'll go through all of this shortly, but I just wanted to give you sort of the rundown of how much stuff I did get. Okay, let's dig into this. So first and foremost, we've got the Tulani Anthropology. These go for $100. It's an adorable little kimono. I've got an Adrian Papel, beaded, like heavily beaded. Zara trench. This is cute, this 00. It's just like a shrug, but it's got like really heavy crochet trim. Adorable little Calvin Klein dress that is real long. It's a maxi. I'm keeping that for myself. These are Doncaster, which are adorable. Just capris. Pookie and Sebastian. This is just a dress, but it's super cute. This Ever is a silk and cotton jacket, and this is a CDC rayon long maxi dress. These are vintage. This is a Liz Claiborne V-neck vintage. This is not even any kind of brand that you would know, Heart Soul, but it's got a great print. This is a tailor dress. J. Crew plaid madras. I got several Talbot's white dresses and skirts. This is a Tarte romper, which is so cute. Super lightweight, great for summer. This is a zero exposure like tennis dress. This is a White House Black Market, just a cocktail dress. This is a sun cover up, shorts that are cutoffs. This is so cute. It's just Crown and Ivy, but I love this dress. What a great print. It's a size 4. I love it. This is actually a houndstooth, super long, vintage J. Jill limited dress. I got a hobo purse right there. And then I got all these fun, I've got a Snoopy at home and those all have tags. And then I've got Max from Where the Wild Things Are. A Jessie shirt, I have a hat for that. Just wanted to mention these. Look at how cute they are. They were all just in a bag for $1.99. I mean, they're pretty big. So I'm gonna list those as well. They're fun. And I mean, last but not least, look at this cute gimmicks. It's like real flowy and cute. It's got like a crushed velvet, and then the back is open. You can see, probably see my bra strap, but I just love this. I think it's so cute. I have a big pile of stuff for Gemma that I'm not gonna reveal here, but I've been working on that for her too. We're launching our personal shopper, and so we're gonna start with Gemma, of course, who needs a new wardrobe for summer, and so that's an exciting thing coming up. So anyway, this haul video, I just wanted to say also, and you can see from the video, that Rescue Mission Durham is an amazing thrift shop. They do good work. They are, they have a very robust furniture section, which is exciting because Maddie just moved here, and they have rugs and all kinds of stuff, and they take very good care of it, and they negotiate, which almost never happens with thrift shops, especially big local ones like that. So keep that in mind if you live in the Raleigh-Durham area. I was just very impressed. Everybody there was so nice and helpful and thoughtful and kind. You don't always get that in thrift shops, so I was really impressed, and I just wanted to give them a shout out. I spent $65 today. It's quite a haul. I mean, you can always shop their color tag, the $1.29 color tag. You can make out real well there. So I give it 5 stars. Enthusiastic thumbs up.